there is no truth to reports that former President Rodrigo Duterte will be released from the custody of the International Criminal Court. That's according to Vice President Sara Duterte, who's still in The Hague in the Netherlands. Jill Sabandal has that story. Jill, what else did the Vice President say?
Amid the growing speculation, the Vice President firmly denied claims circulating on social media that former President Rodrigo Duterte was set to be released from the ICC custody, stressing that no such a statement came from her and that the ICC or the court's public schedule reflects only the upcoming trial proceedings. Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte also weighed in on the recent incidents of violence, sharing her view on what she believes are the deeper issues contributing to growing disorder and declining public discipline.
Ganyan kasi ang nangyayari, hindi lang sa kabataan, no, kundi sa lahat ng tao. Ganyan ang nangyayari kapag wala kasi nakikita na leadership. Nagkakanya-kanya yung mga tao. Kasi nawawala yung moral ascendancy nung nasa taas, yung mga nasa taas. Sinabi natin nasa taas, yung ating president, yung ating mga cabinet secretaries at iba pang nagtatrabaho sa Office of the President. Kapag ganun yung nakikita ng mga tao, nawawala yung respeto. Kapag nawawala yung respeto, nagkakanya-kanya lahat ng tao. That is a manifestation of a weak leadership.
Beyond addressing the rumors, it was her remarks on the leadership made response to a question about the rise of violence amongst the youth that drew the greatest attention. While the impeachment issue remained unaddressed during the interview, Vice President Sara Duterte chose to focus her message on leadership, the condition of the former President Duterte, and what she described as the country's direction. Remarks are likely to fuel further political debate. Back to you, Mai.
Jill, balita ko may rally daw na gaganapin sa labas ng ICC ngayong araw as supporters continue to call for FPRRD's release. So what do the court's official proceedings actually show regarding his case?
Yes, Mai, actually gaganapin ang Free Duterte Now rally sa labas ng ICC mamaya 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. the Netherlands time, pero sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, that will be 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. At doon nga magkakasama sa rally ang anak ni former President Duterte na si VP Sara. And Mai, based on the ICC's official proceedings, there is no court order releasing former President Rodrigo Duterte from the ICC custody. At nililinaw din yan ni VP Sara dahil nga sa mga lumulutang online. And the trial process is continued to be scheduled as the ICC previously confirmed nga na yung charges against him. Kaya nga lang yung rejected early bids ng interim release ay nakaset na for opening trial ngayong November 30. And subject daw yan, Mai, on the fitness and to stand for trial ni PRRD dahil nga yung July niya na status conference ay nakansela. And sinabi naman din ng kampo ng mga Duterte or ng parties, in-inform nila ang court that there were no issues requiring immediate attention, not because of any change in his detention status. Pero may nakaschedule yung next status conference ni PRRD sa September 16 as of now, and former President Duterte remains in the ICC custody. Back to you, Mai.
So para malinaw, Jill, walang hearing on FPRRD's release according to the case schedule of the ICC at ang trial opening ay nakaset na for November 30?
Yes, Mai, that's correct. November 30 yung scheduled trial ni PRRD. Ngunit sa September 16 yung kanyang next status conference, Mai.
Thank you, Jill Sabandal reporting.